Hi guys, Chris from the Ultimate Recycler. I'm forever testing different foods on my worms as the opportunity arises, and it should be good information for any beginner worm farms. Here we have some cucumbers. We've had plenty in our garden, more than we can handle. No one we know wants any extra, so good chance to put these through my little mulcher here, and we'll feed them to the worms and see how we go. Alright, they were easy to mulch. They fit through the hopper nicely. I didn't even need a stick to force them through. Very juicy again, a bit like the tomatoes. You can see the juices just dripping off the bottom of the mulcher here. So it's created a nice pulp. So we'll add them to the worm farm and we'll give them a test. Alright, we'll go the middle bay this time. I've been working this little testing station pretty hard. The worms are almost slave labour at the moment, eating all these different things for me. Well, for you guys, it shows you what the worms will eat. So I'll spread these cucumbers out here. I'll put the whole lot in, spread them around, and we'll come back next week and see how far they've got into them, if at all. Alright guys, it's been a week and 1 day for the cucumber test. I actually nearly forgot about this. I've had so many other jobs on the go. It's pretty much as expected. They're all gone. I'm just about finding that every single test I do on these worms, they love. You know, they're into all these foods. So I think they've pretty well finished them and moved on, really, in a week. There's nothing really but castings and a few remaining eggshells from a previous test. So very successful test. Cucumbers are a big yes. Most of the foods I've been checking on the worms are well known anyway, but by all means leave a comment underneath if you'd like me to try something. I have got a tomato test, and you know, we can try some more obscure stuff like onions, or you know, let's go really weird and try garlic, all sorts of stuff. So as I get hold of some of these things, we'll just see what the worms eat and what they don't like so much. But by all means leave a comment underneath if you'd like me to try something, and I'll arrange it. So another successful one, cucumbers are a yes. Thanks for watching. Look out for my next video.